Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today I will show you the project that we just made using the load cell and the Arduino microcontroller. As you can see here, this is the load cell. It can handle up to 200 kilograms, and up here we have the controller, which is using Arduino Uno, and here we have the module. It's called HX711, and this is the breadboard where we have three LEDs. The first LED here will light when the weight is below 50 kilograms. The green will light when the load is between 50 and 100. This last red LED will light when the load is above 100 kilograms. So now I'll start placing weights, and let's take a quick look at these three LEDs. As you can see, the first LED is the red LED. It's lighting because we don't have anything here. It's below 50 kilograms. If I placed a weight that's above 50 kilograms on the load cell, as you can see, the green LED is turned on, but it's a little bit fadey. But as you can notice that the green LED is off. Now it's on. The third LED is for any weight above 100 kilogram. So if I placed a weight above 100 kilogram, as you can see, it's turning on. If we removed all the weights, it will turn the first LED, which is for weights below 50 kilograms. Now let's take a quick look at the readings on the computer. As you can see here, we have reading 0 kilograms, and our calibration factor is 8. And as you can see, the line below 50 kilograms is written. Now if I placed, and the red LED, as you can see, it's turned on. Now if I placed a weight between 50 and 100, it will change the reading to, as you can see, between 50 and 100, it's 70 kilograms. And as you can see here, the green LED is on. Again, if we placed a weight above 100, as you can see, 112 kilogram, it's writing above 100. And here we have the third LED on. That's it. This is everything. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please ask. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.